A new state-of-the-art aviation one-stop maintenance center in Hainan, China is set to revolutionize air travel. It is a comprehensive hub where airplanes can be repaired, inspected, and maintained all in one location. This development offers exciting possibilities for Jamaica and the Caribbean to boost tourism, create jobs, and strengthen international connections. Marlon Samuels visited the aviation center and filed this report.
With China's plan to diversify Western trading routes, there is an exciting development in Hainan. It's an aviation one-stop maintenance center.
At the Hainan Maintenance Center, customers will enjoy the Hainan FTP policies. For example, when an overseas aircraft come for maintenance, they don't have to pay a deposit. Customers can enjoy good labor and the material provided, which can save costs between 10 to 15%. That's cut of both time and cost. Plus, we also offer one-stop service where we do frame maintenance, painting, and component repair, which means all the service can be done at one time here.
This one-stop aviation center is designed to attract more international airlines to Hainan, create local jobs, and become a major hub for airline services. But the benefits don't stop there. The Caribbean, including Jamaica, can also benefit from this development.
Based on the geographic advantage of Hainan, we are now getting business from countries like South Korea, Europe, Africa, and Middle East. We have a very good global reputation, and more customers are hearing about us and are willing to conduct business with us. After the FTP is advanced, there will be more aircrafts coming to Hainan and more routes open between Hainan and regions like the Caribbean and Latin America that will produce more need for the aircraft maintenance center. This will create more opportunities for us, where in the future we will improve our capabilities by doing passenger and cargo transfers for many different types of aircrafts, as well maintenance of wide-body aircraft, to establish a more comprehensive ability to maintain aircrafts here in Hainan.
This can boost tourism, create new business opportunities, and make Jamaica a more important hub for aircraft services and travel in the Caribbean. It's a big opportunity for the Caribbean and Jamaica too. It can help create new jobs, boost tourism, and strengthen regional connections. Reporting from the Aviation Center in Hainan, I am Marlon Samuels for the news on PBCJ.